Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. Today we're going to try boiled eggs in two ways. So most of us have eggs for our protein intake, and we tend to eat boiled eggs, which is kind of bland according to me. So if there's a different option available, I would like to try it. So these are two options which I liked. So the ingredients list is given in the description box below. I also have lots of other egg recipes on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. So let's just jump into the recipes. So before we start with the recipes, I'm just going to prep the eggs, for which I've got some water boiling on high flame and I've added some salt to the bowl. Now I'm going to cook the eggs in this. So I'm going to be cooking 4 eggs in this. So I've added the first 2 and then I'll add the next 2 as well. 2 of the eggs we are going to cook for 3 to 4 minutes until it's slightly runny, and the other 2 we'll cook until they are hard boiled. So I've kept it on the flame, and let's cook this and then remove and peel and keep it ready. So first recipe is a viral recipe, which is Turkish egg, which I tried. So for this I've taken some Greek yogurt in a bowl. Into this I'm going to be adding some salt and pepper and some garlic powder. I'm using garlic powder because I have it with me. You can just chop or mince some garlic and add it to the Greek yogurt. Now I'm adding a pinch of red chilli flakes to this, along with some chopped coriander. I've just changed the recipe according to the Indian taste. So I'm just mixing everything together. Once it's nicely mixed, you can leave it in the refrigerator until we do the rest of the prep. So next I've got some oil heating on high flame. This is olive oil that I've used. You can also use butter. I've switched off the flame and I'm adding in a few red chilli flakes, a teaspoon of red chilli flakes, followed by a little bit of Kashmiri chilli powder. This is majorly for color. So that's done. Let's remove it from fire and move to the next process. So I've taken a serving dish into which I'm going to add the Greek yogurt mixture. I'm going to spread it out nicely. On top of this, we'll add the eggs which we had cooked for 3 to 4 minutes. The eggs need to be nice and runny. So I've added it on top. We'll cut it open once we are ready to serve it. Now we're going to add the oil that we just made with the red chilies. Pour it over the eggs. And now we'll top it with some coriander leaves. That's it. The simple Turkish eggs is ready. Once you're ready to eat it, you can just crack open the egg and then dip it with some bread and have it. So the next recipe is a chutney egg recipe. This is super simple to make, for which we need a chutney. I've got some lime juice in here, some mint and coriander leaves, ginger, green chilli and some coconut. So we're going to grind all of this in the mixie to a smooth paste. Once the paste is ready, you add some salt to taste into this and keep it aside. Next, I'm taking the hard-boiled eggs which we cooked for 8 to 10 minutes and cutting it open. Now in a bowl I've taken some salt and pepper and a little bit of mayonnaise. We remove the yolks from the egg and add it to this bowl. Using a fork, I'm going to break down the yolk and mix the mayonnaise, salt and pepper to it. We basically want a nice and creamy paste. Now it's time to add the chutney. I'm going to add a teaspoon or so of the chutney and mix that in as well. So the mixture is ready. Now we take the whites of the egg and fill the cavity with the chutney mixture. Clean the sides and make it look pretty. You can also use an icing bag and pipe the mixture into the egg whites. That will make it look even more prettier. So these are ready. Now we just dust or sprinkle a little bit of red chili flakes on top. And the bite-sized pieces of chutney eggs is ready to be served. Do try these recipes at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with new recipes next time. Until then, bye bye.